360ed's Elements AR is an augmented reality-based mobile learning application that is combined with colorful flashcards designed for young learners to enjoy learning elements, the building blocks of everything around us. To use this mobile application, you need to first scan the QR code in the Elements AR box. Once the QR code has been scanned, you can use it with the flashcards in the Elements AR box. The Elements AR box contains 30 scannable Elements flashcards, an interactive periodic table card, a periodic table sheet, and a user guide. The Elements AR application has 5 main sections. The first is the Augmented Reality, or AR, which allows you to scan flashcards and explore elements, and discover corresponding binary compounds. The second is the Inventory, where you can assess the information on the binary compounds that you just discovered using the AR feature. The third is the Periodic Table, which lets you learn the periodic trends of the elements with 4D interactive models. The fourth is the Quiz section, where you can test your knowledge in what you have just learned. Lastly, the Learn section. You can learn the fundamental concepts in chemistry through the conversation between our beloved characters, GeniusBot, Gigi, and Tuta. By clicking on the button in the upper right corner, you can also adjust the sound and background music, change the language, or find out more about the app, the team, and where we find our information. This is the Augmented Reality section. Here you can learn the details of the first 30 elements on the periodic table by pointing the camera at a flashcard from the package. When you scan the front side of the flashcard, you will see at the top 4D models showing the common usage or occurrence of that element in nature. The lower half shows where on the periodic table the element you are looking at is located. You can tap either part to learn more details. We can also read you the information by pressing the sound button.
The Earth's core is mostly made of iron with a bunch of nickel.
If you enter the lower part into the periodic table, you can observe how it shows the periodic trends of the concerned element. It will show the atomic size, ionization energy, electronegativity, and electron affinity of your elements compared to the values of the elements in its group and period. If you want to scan another card to learn about a different element, just click the cross button and scan the card you want to look at. Now let's take a look at the backside of a card. There you will see the electronic structure and molecular structure of the element in 3 dimensions, and you can also study its physical properties with narration.
Iron. Pristine and smooth, pure iron surfaces are mirror-like and silvery gray in color.
When you tap the electronic structure of the element on the screen, you will see how many electrons, protons, and neutrons are contained in a neutral atom of that element. It also differentiates the orbitals that each electron occupies. Molecular structures of the elements allow you to see the most common form of the elements found in nature. You can learn whether the element you chose to study is a lone noble gas, diatomic gas, or in a solid state with metallic lattice. The camera button, of course, allows you to take a snapshot of any AR 3D model. One unique feature of 360ed's Elements AR is that it allows you to play with any 2 cards of your choice. When 2 of the element cards are placed side by side, the 2 corresponding elements on the periodic table will appear. You can compare periodic properties of any chosen element that way. By combining the back of the cards, you can discover hidden binary compounds. Here, I place oxygen next to hydrogen to create water, or dihydrogen oxide. If you want to learn more about this molecule, press on it, and then click the I button. Not every 2 cards allow you to make molecules. You need to discover them by seeing which 2 elements can make compounds. There are 30 selective binary compounds in the inventory. See how many you can discover. Each compound you discover will be displayed in the inventory where you can review them. Going through Learning Journey together with the 3D animated characters will enable you to fully enjoy our encyclopedic details on the first 30 elements of the periodic table, available to you in the Augmented Reality AR section of the application. Oh, don't forget to test yourself on what you have just learned in the quiz section. Enjoy, and have fun learning chemistry.